Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 best VPNs for Android TV. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN delivers fast speeds and reliable performance for streaming on Android TV. It offers strong security features and works well with popular platforms like Netflix and Prime Video. At number 2, NordVPN. NordVPN provides advanced encryption and a large server network worldwide. It ensures smooth streaming with minimal buffering and strong privacy protection. At number 3, Surfshark. Surfshark allows unlimited device connections with affordable pricing plans. It includes features like ad blocking and fast servers for uninterrupted streaming. At number 4, CyberGhost. CyberGhost is user-friendly and optimized for streaming services on Android TV. It offers dedicated servers that improve speed and access to geo-restricted content. At number 5, IPVanish. IPVanish delivers high-speed connections with strong privacy and no-logs policy. It works efficiently on Android TV for secure and stable streaming performance. That's it for this video. Thanks!